Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, fog lights, power locks, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, power convenience group, security alarm, tachometer, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.